TVU RPS One, which will be the centerpiece of the BroadcastAsia exhibit. It's the only platform in the class that combines REMI and cloud production in a single portable unit for multi-channel remote workflow over the public internet. And Mary, I know that you were curious about this one.
Yes, I was. So, Philip, one thing that caught my eye with this was the amount of data connections it supports. This is a mega belts and suspenders approach. But other than that, how does this get us ahead? What does this give us that we don't already have in different products?
I think the key to this product, and it's really more of a solution, is that it's integrated with their cloud production. So you're not having to string together a bunch of different components to make sure they work. It's sort of a not quite turnkey, but very, very close turnkey solution, similar to the first product we talked about, enabling smaller venues, smaller organizations to produce high-end productions. The TVU solution with their pack, which they're known for, and now their cloud production capabilities, really makes it pretty easy. We hear the term throwdown box. Well, this is effectively a throwdown box. You plug a couple cameras in, and it connects to the cloud interface, and then you're producing a live show. So those capabilities, I think, are really, again, going to expand the amount of content that we can produce at remote facilities.
So do you see this not only being, let's say, for high school sports, but also in a corporate environment? Let's say someone's having a retreat for their corporation and they want to get the word out to shareholders. Would this be something that someone who is not using video equipment every day would be able to run with?
Yeah, and actually that's a great point. I really honestly didn't think about that, but in the corporate world, this would be fantastic as we've moved to a lot of Zoom things and less in-person things. Well, having a Zoom call is sort of impersonal and not necessarily professional. This allows those organizations to step up their level of production so they can have their quarterly meetings, and produce like a professional environment without having to travel lots of people and equipment all around the world. And it's a relatively simple interface to set up and get going. So I think corporate environments are going to be great. Distance learning potentially, this will benefit from it. So I think there's a lot of opportunities around the tech, and TVU seems to be the first one that sort of simplified and integrated both the broadcast and the production side together.